Hey there and welcome to Light Coaching Academy. I am Muhammad Rahman and in this video we will learn about HTML images. In this video we will learn about how to use images in our websites. It is so simple. We just have to use the image img tag, and this is the syntax of the img tag or image tag. There are the two attributes in img tag, a source attribute and the alt attribute. Source attribute is compulsory while the alt an optional attribute. In the source attribute we have to give the path or URL of that image. Let's see the practical demonstration in our VS Code editor. I have already created these files and also add the images folder to our workspace, and inside images folder I have put this image which we are going to use in this tutorial. But we have to use the img tag, so just write img. It will give the default template of img tag. Here we have to give the path of this image. So the path of this image is images, and inside the image is the pic.jpg, and the alt attribute we have to write not found. This will show in the case where this image was not found. Instead of the image, then this text will be shown on our web page. So let's save this file, click on the go live. See, our image is successfully added to our websites. Now what we can do with the images? Now what we can do with image tag? We can change the width and height of this image by using the width and height attribute. So let's change the width of this image to 200 pixels and also height of the image to 200 pixels. Save this file, go to our browser. See, the width and height of this image is changed. Now if image was not found, then this message will be displayed. Suppose I change this, save this file, go to a browser. See, this is the alt message will be there because we changed the path of the image or name of the image. If we put this again and save, now the image will be displayed. This is enough for this video. In the next video we will learn how to make this image responsive.